welcome to the video where we will learn about slope of a line or its gradient. Same thing. So first of all, you should know what is slope of a line. Okay, so if I draw a straight line, okay, a flat line, this line has zero steepness. This line is not steep at all, it's a flat line. And if I draw this line as well, yeah, you can see this line is more steep. This line is more steep. And if I draw another one, this line is steeper. And if I draw another one, this line is steepest out of all the lines. You can see here. So, slope of the line tells you about the steepness of a line, how steep the line is. It has a way of telling us this, which is very easy. I hope you'll understand it in a better way. So let's learn now. So you know now slope of a line is a value which tells you how steep a line is. Now let's see if you can see this black line. Let's find the slope of this line. Okay. First thing I want you to figure out, on a line, find 2 points where they are crossing through the corners. Any 2 points. It doesn't matter you have to find points next to each other. You can find any 2 points, but remember not to take point like this, which is going from the middle of the line. Remember, you have to take a point which is going through the corner, point like this. Okay, so let's say we took these 2 points. We found these 2 points. You can find any point on the line, as I told you. And now we will find the gradient or slope of a line. Gradient or slope of a line is this over this, which is known as, because this is rise over run. So the horizontal distance is run, okay, which is here 2, and the vertical distance is rise, which is 1. So the slope of this line is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Okay, let's see another line. If you'll see this red line, and I have to find 2 exact points from where it's crossing the square, centimeter square, I found points next to each other. So here, if I'll find the rise, which is 1, and run is also 1. So slope here or gradient here is 1 out of 1, which is 1. So this line's slope is 1. This line's slope, the black one, is half. Let's do another line. Okay, so if you see this line, I have to figure out the points where it exactly crosses through the corner. So I found one here. And if I go up, 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 I found another point here. Let's see the slope of this one. So you go down 1, 2, 3. So 3 rise. And run is 1 and 2. 2 run. So the slope of this line is 3 over 2, which we can also simplify it into decimal and can write 1.5. And this one is 1, and this one can be simplified to 0.5. So you can see the higher the slope, the steeper the line. 0.5 is the smallest slope, and you can see the line is less steep. The red line, the slope is 1, and it's steeper than the black one. And purple line has 1.5 slope, and it's steepest one. Okay, so this is how we figure out slope of a line. Okay, now I can see all these lines are going in one direction. Why don't we change the direction and we'll see what will happen. Okay, so let's have a look at this line. Let me find 2 exact points, 1 and 2. Okay, so the rise is 1 and 2, so 2, and run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. The slope of this line is 2 out of 5. But because this line is going in this direction, which is known as downwards, it's a negative slope. These lines are going in upward direction, so their slopes are positive. So positive 1.5, positive 1, and positive half. So if a line is going in upward direction, this, they all are having positive slope of line. But if a line is going in downward direction, this, or in any way going downward, they all have negative slope of line. The line going upwards are having positive slopes of line. And what if a line is flat? If a line is flat, like this, if a line is flat, the slope is 0. The slope is 0. And if a line is standing in vertical position, like this, standing straight, this line is not straight, but if a line is standing straight in vertical position, okay, so like this one, so slope of this line is unidentified. We still can't figure out the slope of this line. So line going upwards, positive, going downwards, negative, straight, horizontally straight is 0, and vertically straight, you don't know the slope of that line. Okay, so let's see some lines and figure out slope. So in these 3 questions, we have to identify the slope as positive, negative, or undefined from each group. Okay, so the first one I'm seeing is going upwards, so this one is positive. Second one is negative because it's going downwards. Third one is 0. Okay. Okay, so in these questions we have to find the rise over run to find the slope of line. So they already gave us 2 points, 2 exact points, so we'll just first find the rise. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the run, which is 2. So the slope is 4 over 2, which can be simplified to 2. So the slope is positive 2, or just 2. In this one, the rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 4. So the slope is 5 over 4, but negative. And if you see this one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 over 5. So slope here is positive 7 over 5. Positive because this is the line going upward direction, this one is going in upward direction, this one is going in downward direction. That's why it's a negative 1. These two are positive ones. Now let's move to the last part of our video where we will plot lines using the slope. You already know the numerator in this fraction is for rise and the denominator is for run. So if I give you a point, let's say this is 1 point, and I say from here draw a line with the slope 2 over 5. So when 2 was rise, so I'll rise 2, and run was 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my another point, you see. So because it's a positive one, the line should go up in this way. So it will be up and right. Or if you want to go the opposite, you can still do it down, but with down you will go left. This happens with positive slopes. Okay, positive slopes. What happened with negative slopes? With negative slopes, you go up because it's rise, but you will not go right now. You will go left with the negative ones. Remember. Or if you want to go opposite, you will go down and right. So you will see and you will understand when we will draw these lines. So this one we found the 2 points. Let's join them. So we found our line. Okay, let's do another line with the slope -4 and 7. Let's see. Let's say this is the point. Okay, so this time it's negative, but rise is 4, so I'll go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the point. Because it's negative, so instead of going right, I'll go left. I have to go 7 steps left. Okay, so let's change it from 7 because I don't think so. We have 7 blocks on the left. Let's change it to 5. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to 5 blocks left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we reached 5. So that's 1 point. That's another point from there. Here we begin and here we ended. So now these 2 points, we'll join these 2 points and make our line. And this is our line with negative slope 4/5. Okay, so this with the same way we will do the rest of our lines. So let's see 3, 2. I'll put a point here. Let's start from here. So 3 up because it's positive, so it will be up and right. 3 up, 2 right. I found my second point. Okay, that's first point, that's second point, and now just join them. Use your ruler, join them and extend, and that will be your line. With the -1, okay, let's do the -1. With the -1 we will do, let's find a point first. So let's say this is the point. So it's 1 up, but instead of going right, now we'll go left, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's our another point, and we will join these 2 points and extend our lines. This will give you a negative line. This is how we plot lines using our slope or gradient. I hope this video is of help to you. You need practice after learning this video. Please share and subscribe to support our channel, and have a nice day.